Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Ranbir Kapoor and Yash top 10 high grossing movie comparison. Ranbir Kapoor Rockstar collection 106 crore. Yash Lucky collection 10 crore. 1 point Ranbir Kapoor. Ranbir Kapoor Tamasha collection 135 crore. Yash Drama collection 12 crore. Ranbir Kapoor 2 point. Ranbir Kapoor Rajneethi collection 146 crore. Yash Raja Huli collection 13 crore. Ranbir Kapoor 3 point. Ranbir Kapoor Bafi collection 178 crore. Yash Googly collection 15 crore. Ranbir Kapoor 4 point. Ranbir Kapoor 2 Jyoti My Maker collection 220 crore. Yash Gajakesari collection 20 crore. Ranbir Kapoor 5 point. Ranbir Kapoor A Dil Hi Mushkil collection 240 crore. Yash Sandhu Strength Forward collection 21 crore. Ranbir Kapoor 6 point. Ranbir Kapoor Hey Jawani Hai Diwani collection 320 crore. Yash Masterpiece collection 32 crore. Ranbir Kapoor 7 point. Ranbir Kapoor Brahmastra collection 440 crore. Yash Ramchari collection 15 crore. Ranbir Kapoor 8 point. Ranbir Kapoor Sanju collection 587 crore. Yash KGF chapter 1 collection 240 crore. Ranbir Kapoor 9 point. Ranbir Kapoor Animal collection 901 crore. Yash KGF chapter 2 collection 1210 crore. Yash 1 point. Ranbir Kapoor 9 point. Yash 1 point. Winner Ranbir Kapoor. Next comparison video comment. Subscribe my channel, please support.